have been cleared next. NJ Aerobatic box. Ladies and gentlemen, look high and overhead for the world's only NextGen Eagles Aerobatic Team. I give you the NextGen Eagles. Completing the formation loop as wingman Stephen Covington maintains that very precise position on the right wing of the leader, Leland and Kracher. They're going to work their way around for one of the most demanding formation maneuvers to fly. It's called the line of rest loop as they fly side by side, looking 90 degrees at one another, as they followed up with a transition back to the wing position with two vertical loops show center. Completing the challenging line of rest and wing, and soon 16th birthday. His grandfather took him to an airshow when he was just 3 years old. He's never looked back. After countless hours, his skill from Microsoft Flight Simulator as the flight aboard a NextGen flying virtual air shows. He's turned those dreams into reality with this one of the most impressive ship formation teams on the circuit. Covington aerobatic airplane. It ruined all roller coasters for Stephen from that point on. We're going to watch from the right as they set up for one of their signature maneuvers. It's called the barber pole. That's the barber pole. Let's give it up and make some noise for the NextGen Eagles as they reposition for the second half of this exacting and colorful formation routine. Leland in the lead, Stephen on the wing as they set up for their next figure. It's the simultaneous hammerhead turnaround.
How are they doing the bike while they're doing this?
Yeah.
Did you hear them?
As they now take separation out in front of us, it's time to dial it up just a notch. Leland Kracher with the one to the left, Stephen Covington to the right. Let's observe as they approach for this opposition pass.
Do you remember how it's Ghostface? I know, they went right straight to each other as they curved. I know, I saw the show. They're about to do it again.
The Christian Eagle biplane designed back in the 1970s by Frank Christensen, who managed the U.S. Aerobatic Team, going on to win the 1972 World Championships. The Eagle biplane weighs in at just about 1,000 pounds, and coupled with some 250 plus horsepower, enables for both precision and gyroscopic maneuvers. Back in again, cameras at the ready for the opposing knife edge pass. Work his way in, there's about 180 miles an hour as he flies by and sits up to Leland clears to the left. I want you to take a look to the right as spinning into the aerobatic box, falling this airplane to the ground, is that of Stephen Covington, Eagle number 2, as he performs his rapid snap rolls into the center of the aerobatic container. Aircraft. Watch now as he performs this, the look Shabbat. He'll clear to the left as Leland approaches once again, throwing to the right. Here shows some incline vertically into the loop with a roll on the top.
Oh.
Leland and Stephen would like to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for attending today's show, and of course, to their incredible sponsors who support them. They want to say thanks to Lift Aviation, the leaders in aircraft safety and innovation, and to iFly EFB, navigating the team from show to show. They want to thank Lycoming Engines, Softy Parachutes, Hooker Harness, Lycon, Tempest Aero Group, and North Texas Aeronautics. They also want to say thanks to Cornerstone Staffing, their title partner. Find and learn more about the NextGen Eagles and their sponsors on social media at the NextGen Eagles or on their website at nextgeneagles.com. We are seeing some incredible flying by these two aviators. Let's again put our hands together for the NextGen Eagle. Presenting the 2026 NextGen Eagles Aerobatic Team. With the sunset out in front of us, those clouds, of course, shining bright as well with the last few of the rays of the sun before it works its way under the horizon out there. It is going to be a tremendous evening. There's Leland, Kracher, and Stephen Covington. Every performance for these aviators are a little different. They have the routine. They practice, and they practice, and they practice. And it is something that takes a great deal of discipline and a lot of time and passion.